take you off my mind. From the time we met, I've been beset by thoughts of you. And the more that I ignore this feeling, the more I find myself believing that I just have to see you again. I can't let you pass me by, I just can't let you go. But I know that I am much too shy to let you know. Afraid that I might say the wrong words and displease you. Afraid for love to fade before it can come true. Like a child again, I'm at a loss for words. How does one define a crush combined with longing? Longing to possess you oh so dearly. I'm obsessed by you completely. I'll go mad if I can't have you. I can't let you pass me by, I just can't let you go. But I know that I am much too shy to let you know. Afraid that I might say the wrong words and displease you. Afraid for love to fade before it can come true. Subalit nasaktan ng puso, parang ayoko nang umibig pang muli. May takot na nadarama na muli ay maranasan. Ayoko nang masaktan muli ang puso ko. Ngunit nang ikaw ay makilala, biglang nagbago ang nadarama. Para sa'yo, ako'y ibig pang muli. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y ibig ng muli. Ang aking puso'y pag-ingatan mo. Dahil sa ito'y muling magmamahal sa'yo, para lang sa'yo. Muli ay aking nadama kung paano ang umibig. Masakit man ang nakaraay, nalimot na. Ang tulad mo'y naiiba, at sa'yo lamang nakita ang tunay na pag-ibig laging hinahanap. Buti na lang ika'y nakilala. Binago mo ang nadarama. Para sa'yo, ako'y ibig pa ako'y di nga muling mag-iisa. Ikaw na nga ang hindi. I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright. With you right by my side makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. A game he would play. He brought the clouds to my day. Then like a ray of light, you came away one night. Just one look and I knew you would make everything clear, make all the clouds disappear. Don't you know, you got it all over him. You got me over him, honey, it's true. There's just you must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call, you went out on a limb. And you're all that he's not, just look what I've got. 'Cause you've got it all over him. No, don't let him worry so. Once I met you, I let go. Oh, you can surely see you're so much more to me. Just one look and I knew you would make everything clear, make all the clouds disappear. You're better than all the rest. Who do I love the best? Don't you know, you got it all over him. You got me over him, 'cause you got it all over here.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.